So today is Thursday's video, and what I want you to do is reread the Monarch Butterfly book. So this one, you're going to reread it from the beginning, and you're going to write down all the sight words that you find. And I also want you to discuss with whoever you're reading with the question that you had. And did that question that you have get answered? And do you have any more questions about butterflies? So I'm going to link this for you. So you should be able to just click on here and it should take you right to the book. All right, that's it. You just need to find the sight words and then discuss if the question that you had got answered, and if you have any more questions about butterflies. All right, that's it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.